A young thrill-seeker drawn to the supernatural takes her first steps into the rumored haunted abode. Curiosity drives her to summon the spirits, unaware of the malevolent presence lurking in the shadows. Unknowingly, she unleashes a force that threatens to consume her soul, trapped in a dance of the supernatural. Desperation drives her to a seasoned investigator of the paranormal, who reluctantly agrees to aid her in the battle ahead. Together, they brace themselves for the impending confrontation, steeling their resolve against the malevolent entity. Sacrifice looms large as the investigator makes a final stand, a selfless act to protect the young woman from the looming threat. A final showdown ensues, a battle of wills and courage as they struggle to survive the entity's vengeful wrath. Through sacrifice and loss, a semblance of peace is restored, but the memory of the malevolent entity lingers, a haunting reminder of the dangers of meddling with forces beyond comprehension. As she contemplates the harrowing ordeal that has forever changed her, a vow is silently made never to delve into the supernatural realm again.